Hi everyone, welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making a flower dish. So I just got this beautiful flower dish mold. Isn't it gorgeous? So today we're going to do our first pour and see how it turns out. Here are the colors that we're going to be using. I'm going to use 3 colors: Daisy Yellow, Cottesloe Blue, and Teal number 2. In addition, I'm going to add some iridescent mylar flakes and a little bit of silver. Alright, let's get our mask and respirator on and get started. The first thing we want to do is take our silver and color in the stamen. This silver is UV paint, so it's super shiny. We're going to apply the paint using a round-tipped clay tool. However, we need to cure it for a few minutes under the UV light. Next, let's mix our resin. I'm going to make a full cup of resin. Then we're going to mix in the colors in 3 separate containers. I'm going to add enough pigment paste to make the colors opaque. Now let's pour. We're going to start with the clear. We're going to pour it until it's about 3/4 full. I'm pouring in small batches and popping the bubbles with a heat gun as I go. Now for the colors. I'm going to pour the darker teal first. I'm going to pour along the edges of the mold so that the resin goes down the petals. On top of that, I'm going to pour the lighter teal. And then finally the yellow in the middle. With clear, I'm going to top off the mold. And then finally, in the middle, I'm also going to pour in a bit of clear mixed with the mylar flakes. And that's it. Let's wait for it to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been 12 hours and we are ready to demold. Oh my goodness. I am so excited about this. I wonder what it looks like. This demolding is really easy, just peels away. Okay, so as you can see, it's matte here on the sides where it was touching the mold because the mold is matte, so we need to add one more layer. We want it shiny. Oh, look at this. Oh wow, just take a look at this. This looks amazing. Super cool. So if you add one more layer, we're going to see all these colors pop out. So let's go ahead and do that. Here I'm taking a bit of clear resin and just painting on a thin layer to glaze it. I'm going to do this to the front and the back. Alright everyone, and we are done. So this last layer of resin has cured and now the plate is nice and shiny. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is super pretty. So what do you think of my flower plate? Do you like it? And what other color should I do next? Let me know down below in the comment section and I'll see you next time. Bye!